안녕하세요. 자, 54쪽을 보세요. 54쪽을 보세요. We will learn grammar 이, 그, 저 today. 이 means this. Well, this is easy. Yeah. But 그 is that and 저 is also that. So in Korean, we have two kinds of that. What is the difference? 저 is far away from both speaker and listener. It is far away from both of speaker and listener. So, which is far from me and you. 저, 저 가방은 뭐예요? What's that bag? 저 가방은 뭐예요? I think someone left it. Yeah, someone forgot it. Like this. But 그 is far away from speaker. Yeah, so in the perspective of speaker, it should be far away, but close to listener. Close to listener. So, 그 가방은 얼마예요? Let's say someone brought the new bag. Someone brought the new bag. And I saw that new bag for the first time. And she was carrying her bag. So, 그 가방, that looks nice. 그 가방 얼마예요? How much is it? 그 가방은 얼마예요? So that bag is far away from speaker, me, but close to the listener. That bag you're carrying near you. So it's 그 가방 in this context. I don't say 저 가방. 저 가방 should be far away from both speaker and listener. Okay? 자, then let's check the examples. 자, first one. 이 사람은 누구예요? This person. 이 사람은 누구예요? Who is this person? So when we see the picture on the left side, 왼쪽 사진, left photo. Sorry, not 사진. It's a 왼쪽 그림, left picture. The man is like holding a phone like this, right? So who is this person? No. 이 사람은 누구예요? I think he was checking someone friend's photo and maybe she was pretty. 그래서 이 사람은 누구예요? Who is this person? So he's holding phone. So it's near me. So who is this person, right? 이 사람은 누구예요? 제 동생이에요. She's my sister. 제 동생이에요. She's my sister. Next one. 저 핸드폰은 준호 씨 핸드폰이에요? That 핸드폰, which is far away from speaker and listener. 저 핸드폰은 준호 씨 핸드폰이에요? Is it Mr. Juno's 핸드폰? Mr. Juno's mobile phone? So we don't have to say Mr. Juno's mobile phone. We just say Mr. Juno mobile phone, right? Not Mr. We don't have to say Mr. Juno's. 그냥 Mr. Juno mobile phone. 준호 씨 핸드폰이에요? 네, 준호 씨 핸드폰이에요. Yes, it is Mr. Juno's 핸드폰. Yeah, it is far away from listener as well, so we say 저. But let's say on the picture on the right side, 오른쪽 그림, right picture on the right side. Let's say the listener is standing near the phone. No, let's say the listener was standing near the phone. So, case 2. Listener is standing near phone. Then she would ask, 그 핸드폰은 준호 씨 핸드폰이에요? That mobile phone, which is near you, or which is you're holding, yeah, that you're holding. 그 핸드폰은 준호 씨 핸드폰이에요? She will ask like this, yeah, because it's close to the listener. Phone is close to the listener, so I say 그 핸드폰은 준호 씨 핸드폰이에요. 핸드폰이에요? I ask like this. Okay? 자, I think number 2 is a better activity. So let's skip number 1 and go to number 2. let's skip number 1 and go to number 2. 자, so check the picture. 저 가방은 누구 가방이에요? That bag is whose bag? 그래서 누구 means who, right? But in Korean we don't say 뭐 whose, just who, also same. So 누구 가방이에요? That bag is whose bag? 저 가방은 누구 가방이에요? So in Korean it will be like just who. 저 가방은 누구 가방이에요? But it is far away from both speaker and listener, right? Both speaker and listener. That's why 저, that, 저 가방 was used. Okay? 자, 1번, number 1. 저 책은 누구 책이에요? That book is whose book? So, 그 책은 가방 옆에 있어요. Book is next to the bag. Book, bag next to exist. Book is next to the bag. So it is far away from both Juno and Anna in the conversation. So Juno asked, 저 책은 that book. 저 책은 누구 책이에요? Whose book? 그러니까 Anna said, 제 책이에요. It is my book. And now you'll be confused. 선생님, 저 means 미나. Then how do I know if 저 means I or that? How do you know? Because 이들에서 는는 이가 저는 or 제가 then it means I as a subject, right? But there's no. Then in this context is that book, 저 책. So you have to use 있는 or 이가 if it's needed. Okay, that's why it is also important. Grammar cases are important because it can confuse you like this. 자, 저 책은 누구 책이에요? 제 책이에요. It is my book. 자, 2번. Juno is man and Juno는 그 남자예요. I think he's a man, right? Just with the long hair. 그리고 안나는 여자예요. So Juno asked, 이 시계는 누구 시계예요? 시계 is watch, clock. So this clock is whose clock? This watch is whose watch? 이 시계는 누구 시계예요? So watch is near Juno. So Juno can ask this. This watch, whose watch? And then Anna can say 그 시계는 유진 씨 시계예요. That watch is Eugene's watch. Well, she just say 유진 씨 시계예요. It is Eugene's watch. But she also can say that watch because it is far away from her, but close to Juno. She can say 그 시계는 유진 씨 시계. It goes. Okay, you understood, right? In Anna's perspective, that watch is far away, but Juno, but who is a listener, it is close. So she used 그 시계. 3번. 그 핸드폰은 유진 씨 핸드폰이에요. Always Juno ask first. Okay, man ask first. So 그 핸드폰 or mobile phone is close to Anna, woman. So he asked 그 핸드폰, that 핸드폰 which is near you but far away from me. 그 핸드폰은 유진 씨 핸드폰이에요. Is it Mr. Eugene's 핸드폰? 네, 유진 씨 핸드폰이에요. Yes, it is Mr. Eugene's 핸드폰. Or she can say, 네, 이 핸드폰은 this 핸드폰. 이 핸드폰은 because it is near her, she can say 이 핸드폰. 이 핸드폰은 유진 씨 핸드폰이에요. It is Eugene's 핸드폰. Okay? 4번. 그 필통은 안나 씨 필통이에요. that pencil case which is near you, 안나? 그 필통은 안나 씨 필통이에요. Is it your pencil case? It's a conversation with 안나. So in this context, it's 때에, right? 안나 씨 필통이에요. 아니요, no. 리사 씨 필통이에요. No, it is Lisa's pencil case. or 이 필통은 리사 씨 필통이에요. This pencil case, it is near Anna. So 이 필통은 리사 씨 필통이에요. It can be like this. Okay? Good. 자, then let's go to 1번, number 1, yeah, that we skipped. Let's see the example sentences. 이 사람은 누구예요? Who is this person? Right? This person, who is this person? 선생님이에요. This is a teacher or something like this. Yeah. And from number 1 to 4, I think all the people in the example, they look far away from both of them. So all the answer should be 저 사람은 누구예요? Who is that person which is far away both of us? 저 사람은 누구예요? Far away from both of us. 저 사람은 누구예요? 그러면 이제 마리 씨예요, 유진 씨예요, 뭐 like this. But for example, number 4, 뭐 let's say Juno is close to the woman but far away from the man. But it is difficult to imagine this kind of situation. Yeah. So, but you can ask, 그 사람은 누구예요? He used 그 because Juno is close to her, close to the listener. So, 그 사람은 누구예요? Who's that person? 그 사람은 누구예요? 준호 씨예요. He is Juno. Like this. Or you can say, 오케이. 자, 그러면 make some 3 sentences with 이, 그, 저 grammar. Make 3 sentences with 이, 그, 저 grammar. 오케이. 원 이, 원 그, 원 저. 자, 55쪽. noun 있다, 없다. But let's say 있어요 and 없어요. Let's say 있어요, 없어요. 자, so we already have talked about it. So 있다, 있어요 means exist, and 없어요 means not exist. And it also can mean have, that you have something and you do not have. Usually for other verbs, we just can put not, which is 안 in Korean. But 있어요, 없어요 is just especially they have a separate vocabulary for not have. So 있어요, 없어요. And you probably, it's your first time to see the 2 consonants as a second consonant. Yeah, the pronunciation is just 서요, this. 스, only 스 moves, 브 stays. So 없어요, 없어요 pronunciation is like this. And 있어요, 있어요 is like a double S will move. So 있어요 like this. Pronunciation will be like this. Yeah. So you don't have to pronounce 없어요 like most of like this. 없어요. This. So we also put it to the noun, and 에 is like at, like this. 뭐 에 and at sounds similar. Okay, so maybe it's easy. So if I say 저는 지금 집에 있어요. 저는 지금 집에 있어요. 지금 is now, right? So I now at home. 집에 at home 있어요. exist. I am at home. But if I directly translate this, I now at home exist. I exist. Okay. The reason why I say exist is you will not make grammar mistake later. At the moment, we did not learn other grammars that will confuse you later. But from chapter 4, actually, the next chapter, we will learn new grammar. And because in Estonian grammar and English grammar, you probably want to use the new grammar, but actually it should be old grammar that we use. So it's better to know translate as a exist to avoid the translation. Yeah. So I know that it sounds a bit weird, but I'm just doing this to avoid the grammar mistake later. Yeah. So I will tell you more in next chapter. 저는 지금 집에 있어요. I now at home exist. 저는 지금 집에 있어요. And 어, 핸드폰이 책상 위에 없어요. Mobile phone on the desk, but it's lower there, right? Like desk on, yeah, on the desk, not exist. So a phone is not on the desk. Phone is not on the desk. But phone does not exist on the desk. 핸드폰이 책상 위에 없어요. Like this. Okay? But you also can say 그 핸드폰이 책상에 없어요. It's also possible, right? Because 뭐 if you say lower or at the desk, if you say at the desk, it's probably on the desk, right? So 책상에 없어요 is also possible. It's the same meaning. In Estonian is lauar in this context, like this, not there. Okay, like this. 자, let's see the example sentences. 책이 어디에 있어요? Book where exists. 책이 어디에 있어요? 책상 위에 있어요. Desk on exist. 라우아 빼알 exist. 책상 위에 있어요. 수지 씨가 집에 있어요? Is Miss Suji at home exist? 아니요. 집에 없어요. No, at home she doesn't exist. 학교에 있어요. At school she exists. 학교에 있어요. Okay? And as a meaning of have, we also can say like this. 핸드폰이 있어요. 핸드폰이 있어요 can be two meaning. First one is there a phone? Or do you have a phone? A mobile phone. So meaning can be a bit different like this, yeah. But basically it's the same structure and with the same vocabulary and same meaning, yeah. Is there a phone? Like, does phone exist? Do you have a phone? Or like this. So you should also see the context and understood like that. So 핸드폰이 있어요. 네, 핸드폰이 있어요. It can be yes, there is a phone. And yes, I have a phone. So you went to the mobile phone shop and if you say 핸드폰이 있어요, it means is there a mobile phone in this shop? Like this, right? But on the well, if you ask your friend like this, 핸드폰이 있어요 means do you have a mobile phone? Like this. Okay? 자, 1번. Let's check the example sentences. 칠판이 교실에 있어요. 칠판 means whiteboard or blackboard in the classroom. 칠판이 교실에 있어요. 교실 is also classroom, right? So whiteboard, I think blackboard. Blackboard at classroom exist. Blackboard at class exist. 네, 칠판이 교실에 있어요. Yes, blackboard at the classroom exists. But you also can say like this. 칠판이 교실 안에 있어요. 안 means inside, right? So 교실 안에 inside the classroom. classroom inside. 교실 안에 at classroom inside. Does it exist? Same meaning, right? So at classroom or inside classroom, same meaning, right? Just see the grammar difference, structure difference, structure difference. So, 네, 칠판이 교실 안에 있어요. 네, 칠판이 교실 안에 있어요. Okay. So, even if the question was 교실에 있어요. 네, 칠판이 inside the classroom. 교실 안에 있어요. You also can answer like this, right? It's up to you. I just okay. 자, next one. 피아노가 교실에 있어요. piano is piano, right? piano. 피아노가 교실에 있어요. Is piano in the classroom? Is piano at the classroom? 아니요. 피아노가 교실에 없어요. No, piano at the classroom do not exist. 교실에 없어요. 1번. 컴퓨터가 교실에 있어요. Is computer at the classroom? 네, 컴퓨터가 교실에 있어요. Yes, computer at the classroom exists. 2번. 가방이 교실에 있어요? 아니요. No. 가방이 교실 안에 없어요. No. Bag inside classroom doesn't exist. I just can use this like this. 안. 3번. also you can change the order as well. 자, 교실에 시계가 있어요. At the classroom, the clock exists. 그럼 how do I know if 교실 is a subject or not? That's why you have to see the grammar cases. 교실에, at classroom, 시계가, clock is the subject. So you can change the order. 교실에 시계가 있어요. But even if you change the orders, verbs should come at the end for sure. Okay, verbs always should come at the end. Okay. 교실에 시계가 있어요. 네. 칠판 위에 있어요. Yes. On the top of the blackboard, it exists. 네. 칠판 위에 있어요. So we means on, above, above, up, like this. So 칠판 위에 그 blackboard up 있어요. Goes like this. Okay, so more specifically, I can say like this. The computer also. 컴퓨터가 교실에 있어요? 네, 컴퓨터가 책상 위에, on the desk, 책상 위에 있어요. I can say more precisely like this. 자, 4번. 유진 씨가 교실에 있어요? Is Eugene at the classroom? 아니요. 없어요. No, he's not. You just can say 아니요 or 아니요 없어요. You can have a short version like this. Okay. 네. 자, 2번. skip the example. It's easy. So, 1번. 시계가 어디에 있어요? Where's the watch? 칠판 위에 있어요. On the top of the whiteboard. 칠판 위에 있어요. It exists. 2번. 가방이 의자 옆에 있어요. Bag next to the chair. Does it exist? So, bag, 그, 떠올리 그루발 exist. Bag, chair next exist. So, does the bag exist next to the chair? 네. 그, 의자 오른쪽에 있어요. I can say more precisely, like 오른쪽에, not just 옆, next, but 오른쪽, right direction. So 의자 오른쪽에, chair, right direction, exist. 3번. 준호 씨가 칠판 앞에 있어요. Is Mr. Juno in front of the, sorry, 그, 4번. 3번. 책이 책상 위에 있어요. Books on the desk. They exist on the desk. 아니요. 가방 안에 있어요. No. Inside the bag. Bag inside. 꽃기 says. 가방 안에 있어요. 4번. 준호 씨가 칠판 앞에 있어요? In front of the whiteboard? 칠판 앞에 있어요? 아니요. 그 칠판 옆에 있어요. Next to the whiteboard. 칠판 옆에 있어요. Or you can say 칠판 왼쪽에 있어요. Whiteboard left side. Left side of the whiteboard. 칠판 왼쪽에 있어요. We also can say. Okay? So also 에 있다 없다 그래말. It has meaning of to have as well, right? Or to exist, like there is, So please make some sentences, 3 sentences also, and share it with me. Okay, then see you in the next video.